Hi, Ben.
Hey, Anna. Nice weather today.
Hi, Ben.
Hey, Anna. Nice weather today.
Perfect for planting.
What are you working on?
Perfect for planting.
What are you working on?
Marigolds. You?
Tomatoes. Just started.
Marigolds. You?
Tomatoes. Just started.
Need help.
I'm good, thanks.
Need help.
I'm good, thanks.
Your compost worked well last year.
Want some? I have extra.
Your compost worked well last year.
Want some? I have extra.
Yes, please. I'll trade you mint.
Deal.
Yes, please. I'll trade you mint.
Deal.
The soil's dry here.
Yeah, sun's been strong.
The soil's dry here.
Yeah, sun's been strong.
I watered this morning.
Smart move.
I watered this morning.
Smart move.
Can you move that pot?
Sure. Where to?
Can you move that pot?
Sure. Where to?
Near the bench.
Done.
Near the bench.
Done.
Thanks.
Anytime.
Thanks.
Anytime.
See any rabbits?
One yesterday.
See any rabbits?
One yesterday.
Oh.
I'll add a fence.
Oh.
I'll add a fence.
Good idea.
Want lemonade?
Good idea.
Want lemonade?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Yes, please.
Here you go.
So refreshing.
Cheers to gardening.
So refreshing.
Cheers to gardening.
Cheers. Cheers.